How to get Dazn on Roku TV. So there are two options that you can do to execute this method. Option 1 is to head in directly to your Roku TV and then just simply going out your normal routine and go into App Store and then just look for this application here that says going to be Dazn Live Sports Streaming and just heading directly to Add App. The other thing that you can do is to log out from the current account that you logged in on your Roku television account, then logging it in into any available browser on your end or maybe on your mobile app. Now, same drill. If you're going to be logging it in on other devices, just simply look for this application right here, Dazn Live Sports Streaming, hit on Add App, and it will automatically be added and installed to one of your applications on Roku account. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to add Dazn on Roku.